Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey, Jerry. How's your morning going?
Hey, Tom. Pretty good, actually. I just finished breakfast, and guess what? I was thinking about food.
Of course you were. You always think about food.
Guilty. I love food. But today I was thinking about how to talk about food in English. You know, like how to describe your favorite food.
Ah, that's a perfect topic. Everyone loves food, and it's something we can talk about easily in any language.
Exactly. And for English learners, it's a fun way to practice speaking, describing tastes, textures, smells, and memories.
Nice. So for everyone listening or watching, today's episode is called Talking About Your Favorite Food in English.
And don't forget, the PDF of this full script is in the description. You can download it for free, read along, and practice later.
Yep. The PDF also has comprehension questions and fill-in-the-blank exercises so you can test your understanding after you listen.
So, grab a snack, maybe something delicious, and let's talk about food.
I like this already. So, Jerry, what's your favorite food?
That's a hard question. I love so many things, but if I had to pick one, I'd say pizza.
Classic answer. Why pizza?
Because it's perfect. You can make it any way you like. Cheesy, spicy, sweet, even healthy.
True. Pizza is like the universal language of food. Everyone understands it.
Exactly. My favorite kind is margarita pizza. Just cheese, tomato sauce, and basil. Simple, but full of flavor.
That sounds good. I like pepperoni pizza.
You would?
Yeah, it's a bit greasy, but I love that crispy edge and salty taste.
Okay, let's help our listeners here. How can they describe pizza in English?
Great idea. You can use words like delicious, means very tasty, cheesy, full of cheese, crispy, when something makes a little crunch sound, spicy, a little hot or peppery, savory, not sweet, more salty or flavorful.
Perfect. So if you want to describe your favorite pizza, you can say something like, my favorite food is pizza. It's delicious, cheesy, and full of flavor.
That's a perfect sentence. Nice and simple.
You can also add how it makes you feel, like pizza makes me happy.
That's true. It really does.
You know, food isn't just about taste. It's also about memories.
Yeah, that's a good point. Some foods remind us of family or home.
Exactly. Like for me, when I was a kid, every Friday night, my family ordered pizza and watched movies together.
Aw, that sounds so nice.
Yeah, so when I eat pizza now, it reminds me of those cozy nights at home.
That's beautiful. I think everyone has that kind of memory. For me, it's my mom's pancakes.
Pancakes? Tell me more.
Every Sunday morning, my mom would make pancakes with maple syrup. The smell would fill the whole house.
I can almost smell it now.
Yeah, she always made them golden brown, soft inside, crispy on the edges.
Okay, that's another good example. When you describe food, use your senses. Smell, taste, look, and feel.
Right. You can say, it smells amazing. It looks delicious. It tastes sweet. It feels soft and warm.
Yes, simple words, but they help paint a picture.
So, let's switch it up. What about healthy food?
I try to eat healthy most days. I love avocado toast.
Of course you do. That's so LA.
Guilty. But really, it's simple and tasty. You just mash avocado on bread, add salt, pepper, and maybe a poached egg.
That actually sounds great. I like grilled chicken with vegetables.
Oh, that's a good one. You can describe it like grilled chicken with vegetables is healthy and full of protein.
And you can add, it's light but filling.
Good one. So if you're talking about healthy food, you can use words like fresh, just made, not old, nutritious, full of good vitamins, light, not heavy, organic, natural, no chemicals, wholesome, good for your body and mind.
Those are great words for describing healthy meals.
Okay, but let's be honest. Sometimes we don't want healthy food.
True. Sometimes you just want comfort food.
Exactly. Comfort food is food that makes you feel good, even if it's not super healthy.
Like mac and cheese.
Yes, or chocolate cake.
For me, it's a cheeseburger with fries.
That's such a Tom answer.
Hey, it's comfort food for a reason. It's hot, salty, cheesy, everything I love.
You can describe comfort food as warm and satisfying, rich and creamy, greasy but tasty, perfect after a long day.
Yeah, and you can say, when I feel tired or sad, I eat my favorite comfort food. It makes me feel better.
That's a perfect sentence.
So, now, let's talk about desserts.
Yay! My favorite part.
I knew that would make you happy. So, what's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate lava cake.
Oh, wow. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's warm chocolate cake with melted chocolate inside. When you cut it, the chocolate flows out like lava.
That sounds amazing.
It really is. Sweet, soft, and rich.
My favorite dessert is cheesecake.
Ooh, classic.
Yeah, I like the creamy texture and the crunchy crust.
See? Perfect example again. You can use texture words like creamy, soft, crunchy, moist, fluffy.
Those are good words to describe desserts. You can say, this cake is soft and fluffy. The cookies are crunchy and sweet.
Okay, let's talk about eating out. Do you like cooking at home or going to restaurants?
I like both, but I go to restaurants more.
What's your favorite type of restaurant?
Probably Italian. I love pasta.
Me too.
I usually order spaghetti carbonara, creamy, cheesy, with a little bacon.
And when you talk about eating out, you can say things like, I went to a restaurant. We ordered pizza. The food was delicious. The service was great.
Yeah, and don't forget polite phrases. When you're in a restaurant, you can say, can I see the menu, please? I'd like to order. Could I have the bill, please? Thank you. That was wonderful.
Perfect. Polite English always helps.
Let's review some flavor words for our learners.
Great idea. Okay, repeat after us, everyone.
Sweet, like sugar or honey. Salty, like chips or fries.
Sour, like lemon.
Bitter, like black coffee.
Spicy, like chili peppers.
Savory, like soup or meat.
Nice job.
And when you describe food, you can mix words, like, this soup is spicy and salty. This fruit is sweet and juicy.
Perfect. Let's talk about food from other countries. What's one international food you love?
Oh, that's easy. Sushi.
Good choice.
Yeah, I love the fresh fish and the rice. It's light, but full of flavor.
I love Thai food. The balance of sweet, sour, and spicy is just amazing.
Yeah. You know, food is a great way to learn about other cultures.
Absolutely. And for English learners, talking about your country's food is a great way to start a conversation.
You can say, in my country, we eat rice every day. Our traditional food is spicy curry.
Yes, and people love learning about food from different places.
Okay, now let's talk about drinks. What's your favorite?
Coffee, 100%.
No surprise there.
I love a good latte. It's warm, smooth, and comforting.
I like iced tea, especially in summer.
Oh, yeah, that's refreshing.
And snacks?
Popcorn, especially when I'm watching movies.
Same here. You can say, popcorn is my favorite snack. It's light and salty.
Okay, Tom, quick fun round. I'll ask you 5 food questions.
All right, let's go.
1. Sweet or salty?
Salty. I love fries.
2. Coffee or tea?
Coffee, no question.
3. Eat out or cook at home?
Eat out. I'm a terrible cook.
4. Breakfast or dinner?
Breakfast. Pancakes forever.
5. If you could eat one food forever, what would it be?
Pizza.
Of course. Classic Tom answer.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's teach some useful phrases our listeners can practice.
Yes. Repeat after us, everyone.
My favorite food is...
I really like...
It tastes... sweet, spicy, delicious.
It smells... amazing. Fresh. Rich.
I usually eat it for breakfast, lunch, dinner.
It reminds me of home. My childhood.
I love it because it's simple and tasty.
Perfect. These are great for daily speaking practice.
So, we've talked about a lot of food today. Pizza, pancakes, burgers, desserts. I'm getting hungry again.
Me too.
But I think this was a great topic because it's easy and fun for learners to practice.
Yes. Talking about your favorite food helps you use adjectives, verbs, and even emotional words in English.
And it connects people, right? Everyone loves food.
Exactly.
So, for everyone listening, try this at home. Pick your favorite food and describe it in English. Talk about how it tastes, smells, looks, and how it makes you feel.
And don't forget to download the PDF of this episode from the description.
It includes all the vocabulary, phrases, comprehension questions, and fill-in-the-blank exercises.
You can practice with your friends or even record yourself speaking.
That's a great way to improve fluency.
All right, Tom, what's the plan now? Lunch?
Definitely. After all this talk about food, I need a burger.
I'm coming with you.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time on English Podcast Corner.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep eating delicious food.
Pizza.